friends, I'm so excited to show you my new baby food maker. It's this one. We're gonna open the box together and let's go see how it works. First comes with the instruction manual. This is the cable for put it on energy. Came with these two accessories. Oh, this little and beautiful spoon with a heart there. It's beautiful for your baby. And this one is for take all the food of your baby food maker. Now is the food maker, obviously. Look at this. If you have the things of your baby of the same color, you don't have to worry for this because this is like a beige, so it's perfect for combining with anything of your baby. So this is a part of this is a container. The best part of the container is that are made of glass. So all the food of your baby will be free of any plastic, and that make the food more healthy for your baby. So this baby food maker is really perfect to do fruit puree, vegetable puree, meat puree, like a smoothie or anything that you need to do to your baby. This accessory that I explained 1 minute ago is for make this with the food, and you can be sure that you take all the food as possible of your recipients. So let's go try it. As you can see, this dispenser is so easy to operate and you can save time and use the secure form. So once we connect our baby food maker, I'm gonna clean here a little. I have in this cup a little berries and a half banana. So I'm gonna put it inside with my accessory. I'm gonna put some water, just a little, and I'm gonna close my baby food maker. As you can see here, I have the turn it on button, turn it off, timer, a self-clean blend function. The functions are veggies, fruit, fish, meat, seed. And we're gonna select the function. Please, we're gonna turn it on. Time. So first, we're gonna put water to this sign. We put the mix inside of this glass cup. Okay, we're gonna select the menu that we want. We want fruit that are selected here. Then power on. Now my baby food maker start to put it hot, because once the water is hot, the mixer that I put inside the cup glass start to cooking. So if you use veggies, meat or fishy, that's the function that you need. But I put some fruits, so we're gonna blend the fruits just. So now the fruits are blending. And for blend, you just need to hold the blend button for 1 second, and the baby food maker starts to blend. So we're gonna make it again. So if the food that you wanna make to your baby is a hot food, or you need to cooking some of the ingredients, veggies or something like that, you need to take the function of right here and just turn it off, and this baby food maker will start to make the food for your baby. But if the food for your baby is cold or ambient temperature, you just need to blend, and it's this button. And the best part is that have a button for self-cleaning. So when you finish to use your baby food maker, you can just put some water and soap and maintain hold for 1 second this button of self-cleaning, and your baby food maker will be cleaning so easy. So that help you to save some time and give that time to your baby. So now we're gonna see how resource our food for our baby. As you can see, this, remember that we make some berries and vanilla, and this is the consistency using all the blend, just the blend function. I just put half banana, some berries, and a little water. So the fruits was so a little cold. So when I use the function of the fruit with the heat function, the fruit is more hot now and it's not too cold for my baby. So now you can use this same recipe to give the food to your baby, or you can put it in another plate. So I highly recommend this baby food maker for save time as mommy and for the good alimentation for your baby. See you.